to another video. Today we are taking a nostalgic look back at American Girl doll. I hope you guys don't mind a bit of a longer intro today because we are starting with a story time. Starting at the beginning, how did we get here? So I recently went home to my parents' house for a visit, and while I was there I went through some of my storage boxes from when I was a kid. And I happened upon my American Girl dolls, as I'm sure many people do. I had 5 of them. I had a Just Like Me doll, who I called Rebecca. She's now 22 years old, by the way, which makes me feel very old. I had Mia, who was the Girl of the Year in 2008. I had Jess, who was the Girl of the Year in 2006. And I had the Historical Girl Classics, Felicity, and her best friend, Elizabeth. And some of you are probably thinking right now, Val, how does that get us anywhere? Well, I'll tell you. So, I took them out of the box, I brushed all their hair, braided it, cleaned up their faces, because I guess when I packed them I didn't do a very good job. But now that I know more about how to take care of dolls, I wanted to give them a little TLC, repackage them properly so they wouldn't be damaged in storage. So I did that, and I totally cried when I first took them out of the box, full disclosure. Just a wave of nostalgia hit me like a truck, and honestly, doing their hair, putting them in their outfits, and then sealing them back up again was a very pure and heartwarming experience in a way that I don't think I've ever experienced with children's toys before. And then I packaged them away and I went home. I'm back at home now where I live in a different state. And it started me down a path of nostalgia tripping, I guess would be the word I would use for it, because I hadn't looked at American Girl dolls since I was maybe 13 or 14, and they used to be such a big part of my life that I missed them. And the realization of just how much I missed them led me down a rather predictable path. I got on my computer and I thought to myself, I'm an adult. I have my own money. I have control of my own money. I don't have to wait for my parents to buy me toys anymore. If I want the toy, I can buy it for myself. And then another part of me was thinking, well, they used to be such amazing quality, and obviously they were pricey, but you got what you paid for. I mean, you just saw a picture of my 22-year-old doll, who is still alive and kicking. So I went to the American Girl doll website, and I thought, I wonder if there's anyone here who will catch my eye the way these girls used to when I was a 10-year-old waiting every day for the new American Girl doll catalog to come in the mail to see who the new historical girl or the new Girl of the Year was going to be. And it rekindled that same excitement that had been missing from my life. And when I clicked into the website and looked around, someone did catch my eye. And it wasn't the girl from the 90s who are now historical girls, which makes me feel very, very old. It wasn't them. It was the 2022 Girl of the Year, Corinne. Now, I have heard it pronounced different ways. I've heard it Corinne, I've heard it Corinne, I've heard it Corinne. For the sake of my sanity, we're going to go with Corinne, because I think that's a pretty pronunciation. And Miss Corinne lives in Aspen, Colorado, with her little sister and her dog named Flurry. And she's an outdoorsy girl. She's a skier, she's a skater, she's in nature, she's hiking, she's camping, all that good stuff. I am not an outdoorsy girl. However, I love the blue hair, I love the aesthetic, I love the color palette, I love the vibe. And personally, 2022, while the world was in chaos, it was personally one of the most impactful years in my whole life. So I thought, okay, I'm doing this. I'm doing this nostalgia trip. We're going in. We're gonna do this right. So we're gonna get Miss Corinne as much as I have room for in my apartment, which unfortunately doesn't include the furniture, which is a shame because that little baking shop is adorable. So now, without further ado, let the unboxing commence. Starting at the beginning, the girl herself. What comes in the box? So, Corinne retailed for 115 US dollars. Um, Free shipping, which is nice. I have to be honest, opening the box gave me that feeling again of being 9 or 10 and being so excited to open my new doll. It almost made me cry. But in the box was the doll, and she was wearing a white cable knit sweater, purple leggings, and blue snow boots. She also came with her storybook, which I am definitely going to read because it is absolutely adorable. The first outfit we are unboxing is Corinne's ski outfit. It retailed for 40 US dollars. It includes a pair of mittens, a puffy jacket, puffy pants, a headband, and pink socks. And what goes with a ski outfit but ski accessories? So, retailing for 44 US dollars, this accessory set includes 2 skis, a set of ski poles, a pair of ski boots, goggles, a helmet, and an armband for her ski pass, as well as a cute sheet of stickers, which you can use to decorate her helmet and skis. Next, we have her casual outfit, which retailed for 36 US dollars and includes a fuzzy purple coat, a blue short sleeve t-shirt, geometric leggings, holographic boots, and a white headband. I've decided to make her casual outfit her ice skating outfit. So the ice skating accessory pack retailed for $22.30 US dollars. It includes a pair of white mittens, a white scarf, teal ice skates, and pink blade covers. The camping outfit, while being simple compared to the rest of her stuff, was actually one that I was most excited for. So the camping outfit retailed for 34 US dollars, and it includes a short sleeve t-shirt, a fuzzy blue vest, ombre leggings, and striped sandals. The camping accessories, which are more like hiking accessories if we're being honest, includes a backpack, a blue baseball hat, a water flask, an apple, which is heavier than you would expect, honestly, it's very heavy, a granola bar, and a trail map. The last outfit on our list are the pajamas. It retailed for $26 US and includes a light blue fleece hoodie with matching shorts, as well as light blue slipper socks. And the final accessory pack, which is just her standard accessories, retailed for $23.05 US and includes a pink beanie with a pom-pom on it, matching leg warmers, a blue backpack, blue and purple sunglasses, and Corinne's Rocky Mountain Resort pass. Now you may be looking at the timestamp of this video and saying to yourself, well, we're not even close to done, why are there no more outfits? Well, I may have been a bit mischievous in my shopping excursion and gotten someone else. So let me introduce to you Corinne's little sister, Gwen. Gwen is a welly wisher, which for veterans like me is sort of an unknown quantity because they didn't have these when I was playing with American Girl doll. So she is 14.5 inches tall rather than 18 inches, and to me the Welly Wisher series seems to be designed as sort of a younger sibling to the standard AG dolls. Please correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but it seems very much like your first AG doll, when you're just a bit too little to have a real one. So, what is in the box when you get Gwen? She retailed for only $65 US, which is a very good price in my opinion. And in her box is the doll herself, and she has a purple sweater, a pink skirt, white tights, and purple boots. The first outfit I got for her is the Frosty Fun outfit, which at least on Amazon was marketed only as a Welly Wisher outfit, not a Gwen specific outfit, but I didn't really care because I wanted her to have a ski suit to match her big sis. So, this ski suit retailed for $26 US and includes a purple puffy coat, purple ski pants, white mittens, and pink boots. The second outfit I got for her is her skating performance outfit. And as a child who did ice skating, if little me saw this outfit, I would need it. I would have to have the matching one because it is gorgeous. It includes a velvet skate dress, a pair of skate tights, a flower hair clip, purple ice skates, and pink blade covers. And the last outfit I got from Miss Gwen is her pajama set. This retailed for $24 US and includes a pair of pink pajamas and a set of purple slippers. Now, just to give my final thoughts on this little experiment, I had a great time. American Girl doll quality has not changed from what I can see, at least for these Girl of the Year dolls. One of my favorite things about their clothes, especially even when I was little, was that it feels like clothes humans could wear. Like, everything was lined, the fleece was real fleece, the padding was real padding, the zippers worked. It's all very thought out and well constructed, and I do appreciate that sort of detail in a toy. And it has honestly made me want to explore the American Girl doll world a little more. So keep a lookout for more American Girl doll videos on this channel. There are going to be at least 2. I have them already planned out. But in closing, I'm very happy I did this. I'm very happy that I treated child me to this experience of just going crazy, having fun, and doing it on my own terms. So, with that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good night, day, morning, evening, lunchtime, and I hope you sleep well, and I hope you wake up smiling. Thank you.